Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. Today I am gonna review a hair oil, and this is Parachute Advanced Curry Leaves Hair Oil with natural coconut oil. If you like my video, you know the drill. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button. Now let's get started. Let's talk about its packaging. The outer packaging is made of thin cardboard, and the branding is printed on the front, and the other details like what is the benefit of this oil and how to use it and the ingredient list all are mentioned on the back side of the packaging. The MRP of the oil is $3.99, but I have got it on a great discount on Flipkart. Here you can see the benefit of coconut and curry leaves all are written on this side of this packaging. Both the main ingredients like curry leaves and coconut oil helps control hair fall and graying of hair and preserving natural hair color. And that's how you will get healthier, fuller and naturally dark hair. The oil contains in a dark color plastic bottle. You will get a flip top cap to easily pour out the oil. This type of packaging looks very convenient and travel friendly. Now let's apply it. This is my unwashed dry hair. I will take generous amount of oil on my palm and I will apply it with the tip of my fingers on my scalp. I will apply the oil by doing sectioning of the hair. If you are having hair fall problem, then this oil is a great pick for you. You can see a visible result within 2 or 3 months. Now I am giving my scalp a little massage. After having a massage, I will keep it for 30 minutes and then wash it off with mild shampoo. If your hair is as long as mine, then you must need some extra oil for your hair. I'm taking some extra oil and applying it till the ends. You can also use a shower cap for the 30-minute rest, but I am not doing it. That is not a necessary step. I will just make a small bun of my hair and that's it. Self-love is very much important for every person, so take a day or two from the week and keep pampering yourself. I love to pamper myself and my hair and skin like this. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button.